Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue or why a rainbow has so many colors? Well, today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of light and colors. Imagine being a superhero with the power to bend light. You'd be able to create your very own rainbows. That's because rainbows are made when sunlight is bent and split into different colors. But how does this happen? To understand this, think about a box of crayons. Each crayon has a different color, right? Now imagine if all those colors mixed together. You'd get white, wouldn't you? Well, sunlight is just like that. It's a mix of all the colors we can see. But what happens when sunlight hits a raindrop? The light bends and splits into its different colors, just like when you sort your crayons by color. This is called refraction. Can you say that with me? Refraction. Great job! Remember our superhero power of bending light? That's exactly what's happening here. The sunlight is bending as it goes through the raindrop, causing it to split into all the colors of the rainbow. That's why we see a rainbow after a rainy day when the sun comes out. Now, what about the blue sky? Well, that's another trick of light. The sky appears blue because of something called scattering. When sunlight hits tiny particles in the sky, it scatters or spreads out in all directions. The blue light is scattered more than other colors because it travels in smaller, shorter waves. This is why we see the sky as blue. So the next time you see a rainbow or look up at the sky, remember it's all thanks to the amazing properties of light. Who knew science could be so colorful? Today we learned that sunlight is made up of all the colors we can see, just like a box of crayons. We discovered that rainbows are created when sunlight is bent and split into different colors by raindrops, a process called refraction. And we found out that the sky appears blue because of how sunlight is scattered in all directions by tiny particles in the atmosphere. Isn't it fascinating to see how much there is to learn from just looking up at the sky or seeing a rainbow? So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and remember, the world is full of color and light ready for you to discover. Until next time, keep that curiosity shining bright.